How to change username in WeChat. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to change username in WeChat. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch WeChat application on your device and make sure that you log into your WeChat account. Now tap the Me button at bottom right corner of your screen and then simply choose your profile name at top of your screen. Then you will land on the section where you will see name. Select name and now you can easily delete your name. Simply choose your name and you can clear your old name and you can see the new name here and tap on the button at top right. And with that, you have successfully changed your username in WeChat. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.